guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a full review of a product I've had for quite some time. I've used for quite some time. Actually, this is my second bottle now. I love it that much. And as you can already tell by the title and the thumbnail, it is the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. So I know some of you are asking, what is an essence? Is that a toner? It kind of looks like a toner. Does it do the same thing? No, an essence is something that is different from a toner. An essence is your first step in treating your skin. So what you're going to do with a product like this is cleanse your face, then you would tone, a separate product, and then you would go in with your essence as the beginning of the treatment of your skin. You've already cleaned your skin, you've already toned it, so now the next steps to follow are all about treating your skin. Your essence, your serums, moisturizer, SPF if it's during the day. Those are all the different steps that you're going to do to treat your skin after getting rid of all the dirt, debris, oil. Essences prep your skin and they deliver concentrated ingredients into your skin. And because of the consistency of essences, which for the most part, they really are all very, very liquidy. They're very water-like. When you pour them out into your hand, it does feel like you're just putting water on your skin, but you're not. There are some amazing skincare benefits in an essence that can really, over time, help you to achieve luminosity, brightness, target different signs of aging. Essences really do just give you that extra something. It's not part of a skincare routine that is essential. I wouldn't call it essential, but it definitely does help. I've gone back and forth over the years, having an essence as part of my routine, taking it out, and I definitely 100%, no question about it, when I do incorporate an essence, I see a positive difference. So this essence from Fresh, this is the 5 fluid ounce or 150 ml bottle that I have, and they actually have quite a few options now. This one specifically is 88 Canadian dollars or 68 US. They also have a larger 8.4 fluid ounce for 129 Canadian or 99 US. And they recently came out with a smaller version, which is great. So if the price was something that put you off previously, because originally they only had this size and then the larger 8.4 or 250 ml one. They now have a smaller 1.6 ounce or 50 ml for 42 Canadian or 32 US. This specific product is one of Fresh's best sellers, and it's for good reason. You do get a lot of product no matter which size of bottle that you buy. This one, for example, this is going to last me maybe up to 8 months. I've been using it now probably a good 2 months, maybe 3. I'm coming up on maybe my 3rd month and I'm just here. It is an amazing product. You need 2 shakes. Listen to me. Do not waste this baby. It's too pricey to waste. You need 2 shakes. I'm talking 1, 2, and whatever amount that comes out, that's all you put on your face, and it will last you. So of course, the big powerhouse ingredient that this has, that's right there in the name, is kombucha, which is a fermented black tea. And what this is going to do for your skin is just give you a whole bunch of luminosity and radiance. It feeds your skin with that ingredient, and it really just takes the life of your skin up a notch. That's really what I love essences for. If I could simplify what they do in, one sentence, is it gives life. Essences bring life to your skin. This one also includes hyaluronic acid. Again, another great hydrating ingredient that really all essences should have. because that's what you really need an essence to do for you, is provide you with that hydration. Any time that you can add any extra layer of hydration to your skin, it's always a bonus. Probably my number one favorite thing that this essence in particular does that not all essences do is it does have an element of anti-pollution defense, which that's something that I never really thought a whole lot about. I always thought, hey, as long as I wash my face at the end of my day before I go to bed, I'm good. I can wash all the pollution off. But I understand now why there are starting to be a lot more products put out on the market that have these elements of anti-pollution put into them, because that really does do a number on your skin. When you go outside, all that dirt and all the particles in the air, the type of environment that you live in, especially the more urban of an environment that you live in, all of that stuff floating around in the air is stuck to you all day long as you're out and about just living life. So I really love that this product in particular tackles that. It really does give you that defensive shield against all the pollution. In addition to that, this product gives you 8 specific benefits, ranging from luminosity, definitely does that. It does help with texture, anti-pollution, as I said before. It does help to minimize the size of your pores. This product really does do a multitude of different things to help boost and protect and smooth and anti-age your skin over time. I am going to insert some footage of me actually using the product. I want to make sure that you guys know what the best way is to use it, and you will see that I am pouring it directly into my hands. Do not, I repeat, do not use a cotton pad like you would with your toner, for example. Essences, I believe, not just this one, any essence, you need to just pour a couple of drops into your hand and sweep it over your face with your fingertips. This is too good. The ingredients are too good to waste, having them all soaked up into a cotton pad. Just use your fingertips and pat over your face and you're good to go. So that's it, guys. That is my full review on Fresh's Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. I have been using this product for quite some time. Like I said earlier, this is my second bottle now that I'm on. Essences, I definitely feel, for me personally, do something. It's so hard to explain, and I know previously in other reviews and videos I've talked about essences. I've had a lot of comments from people saying, I used one and it didn't do anything for me. Trust me, keep at it. Don't stop. The very first essence that I used the entire bottle. One very similar to this size. I used the entire thing, and I wasn't interested in repurchasing because even though I enjoyed the experience, yes, I did feel like it gave me extra hydration and luminosity and radiance and all of that. I didn't think that it really did anything. I really wasn't convinced that it was worth the investment, because that other one was also a pricey product too. But when I ran out and it was no longer in my routine, I noticed a difference. I'm telling you, use it, keep at it. Over time, you will see a difference, especially if you stop using it. You will notice your skin doesn't look as plump and radiant and luminous and smooth as it did when you were using it. That's when you'll find out, it does work. In the time, in the moment, you may not see what the hype is, but definitely give it a try. If not this one, definitely try another one. But essences in general, I feel, really do give that extra something to your skin. If you are a skincare junkie like me and you've been at it for a while, you've been very dedicated to your skincare routines, but you're at that place where you just feel like you just need to switch it up. You need something else, something, more. You feel like even though your skin maybe does look good, it could be taken up even another notch. essence may be the way to go. So that's it, guys. That's my full review. I hope you did enjoy it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. And comment down below, ask me any questions, anything that I may have missed that you want to ask me about the product. We'll talk down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.